Do you want to speak English faster, smarter, and with better vocabulary? Then this is the video for you. Today we are going to boost your vocabulary in just 1 minute. That's right, 1 minute. So let's get started. No. 1. Articulate. If you articulate well, it means that you can express your ideas or opinions clearly and effectively. For example, she is a very articulate speaker. She speaks English fluently and her pronunciation is excellent. An eloquent speaker can captivate an audience with their words and leave a lasting impression. This word is often used to describe a speech or presentation that is given off the cuff. It is someone who talks too much and often about unimportant matters. Someone who is gregarious loves to be around people and enjoys socializing. She was a gregarious person who always had a large group of friends. The new student was so gregarious that he quickly made friends with everyone in the class. Gregarious, gregarious. The garrulous old man talked for hours about his childhood. She could be so garrulous at times, but we all loved her anyway. Garrulous, garrulous. It is someone who doesn't like to talk very much. He was a taciturn man who preferred to let his actions speak for him. The taciturn hiker enjoyed the solitude of the mountains, where he could be alone with his thoughts. Taciturn, taciturn. He gave an extemporaneous speech that lasted for over an hour. If you are tactful, it means that you are skillful in dealing with people and situations. You know how to say or do things in a way that is not offensive or unpleasant. She was always so tactful when dealing with difficult customers. The diplomat's tactful response helped to diffuse the situation and avoid a diplomatic incident. Tactful, tactful. Despite having no notes, she delivered an extemporaneous presentation that was both informative and engaging. Extemporaneous, extemporaneous. You can see the deeper meaning or significance of something. She had a perspicacious observation about human nature. His perspicacious comments on the novel showed a depth of understanding that surprised everyone. Perspicacious, perspicacious. The lawyer's closing argument was so eloquent that it brought tears to my eyes. Despite being young, she was already known for her eloquent speeches on social justice. Eloquent, eloquent. Articulate, articulate. He was unable to articulate his thoughts because he was so nervous. Make sure to learn at least one new word every day and use it in a sentence. And if you want more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and see you next time. Number 2, coherent. If something is coherent, it means that it is logical and makes sense. The teacher's explanation was not coherent. I still don't understand this rule. A contemplative person is someone who takes the time to consider all of the possible outcomes before making a decision. She always takes a contemplative approach to problem solving, which often leads to innovative solutions. He was a contemplative man who spent his days lost in thought. Contemplative, contemplative. After the hurricane, the city looked like a pile of rubble, but somehow they managed to rebuild it into a coherent whole. Coherent, coherent. Number 3, contemplative. If you are contemplative, it means that you are thoughtful and like to think deeply about things before you speak or take any action. Number 4, eloquent. Eloquent means fluent and persuasive. It is someone who can speak or write persuasively and movingly. No. 5. Extemporaneous. Extemporaneous means done without being rehearsed or prepared beforehand. No. 6. Garrulous. Garrulous means excessively talkative. Number 7. Gregarious. Gregarious means sociable and outgoing. No. 8. Perspicacious. If you are perspicacious, it means that you have a ready insight or understanding. Number 9. Taciturn. Taciturn means tending to be silent or quiet. Number 10. Tactful. So these are 10 smart English words that will help you to sound smarter when you speak English.